Hi, welcome to Rhonda Said. I'm Rhonda. I love saying things, and I'm a bit batty again. It's my favorite bat t-shirt with the candy corns because candy corns are so fun and pretty. Today, I'm going to welcome you to my channel, ask you to like, comment, and subscribe. And today, we're doing a look with the Esmerelda II palette, which is by Beauty Creations. I just got it in a Beauty Creations mystery box. It is gorgeous, and I'm totally excited about using this palette today. I'm not going to swatch the whole palette because there are 15 shades, and I just want to kind of get into the makeup and do a trial by fire. Trial by fire. That means that I need a new little switch pad, and for my little color switch, I just cut out circles out of my BoxyCharm foam and just make new switch pads when the old ones are funky. That's what I do. And it's a super sunny day, so this side of my face is going to be a little lighter than the other, so I'll have to do this to make sure things match up. And that's a lot of explaining for such a short time in my video, but I'm so glad you're here because never fear, Rhonda's here, and I'm going to make a cool look. There's no names on this. I'm going to use this kind of a medium taupe, kind of light caramel color. I'm going to put it in the crease. It's not showing up very well, but it's a super light color, so it's showing up when I look on the camera. And there's kittens in here, and goodness knows what they're doing. And that's a nice base to start off with, and I'm digging it. I'm digging it so hard. Oh, it looks like I had dug into this already by the accident. I'm going to go on the outside of the eye with this kind of rosy brown, rosy taupey kind of color. Oh, it's a shimmer. It's super shimmery. Maybe that's not going to do what I want it to, but I'll do it on the same, on the other side too. That's not exactly what I was looking for. It's a lot lighter than I expected when I dipped into it. But that'd be a great lid color, so maybe I'll come back to that. And these are pressed pretty soft. I've got a little divot in there already. So I guess I will go to this color here in the middle. Kind of a coppery color. It's a shimmer also, but it's beautiful. And I really have had nothing but good luck with Beauty Creations formula. And I've got several palettes by Beauty Creations, and I like each and every one of them. And like I said, I got this in a mystery box the other day. This is just so pretty. This copper is everything. Super pretty. Let me get a tissue. And once again, like I said, it's super sunny on this side, but that's pretty even. I'll go a little bit higher over here. No, I didn't need to do that. What I will do is there we go, that's much better. A tissue does wonders for an eye look. The next color I'm going to go into, I'm going to try a matte. I'm going to try this, this kind of pumpkin color, since it's like fall and Halloween-y times. I don't know when this video is actually going to go up, but it is definitely fall. And I do Halloween all year round. So it's nothing special to see spooky stuff in my house. Oh, it's so pretty. It goes really well with the copper. So pretty. Ruby, Ruby, what are you doing, girl? Come here. Oh, it's been a long time since you've been on camera. Look, it's my baby. Hello, little baby. Look how big she is. She's a giant kitty now. She used to be so little. She's really wanting to go and explore. There she is. There's a little sweet face. She wants to explore and play, but she's a very good sport to have me pick her up. I need to... Man, that just looks crazy. That looks a little less crazy. I'm going to go into this wine color, this cranberry kind of wine color. Warm up. I mean, it's already warm, but it gives it a little more of a glow. I can't really tell with all that copper and pumpkin. I'm going to have to try this dark brown to get something going. I mean, everything is pigmented, everything is shimmery. It's just the colors I chose, like, really were taken over. Oh, there we go. The browns helping some. I'm mixing it with the copper. Can you hear my landlord's dog barking? He's going crazy. Oh, that's looking crazy. What the hell have I done? Oh, yay, less crazy. Let me do... I should be doing the brow colors, under the brow colors, sooner than I do, but it seems like I always do those close to the end. So let's get that going and I'll get it blended together. And there's some fallout with this very light color. Let's get the blender out. Ruby, what's up, girl? You didn't want to be up here a second ago. Now you want to be on Mama's hip? I see how you are. You're such a beautiful kitty. This look is pigmented as hell. Whoa, this is out of control. Well, you can't fault this palette for the pigment. Oh, this look is just terrible. What can I do to save this look? Ooh, this is bad. But you know, I show you guys the good and the bad. It's not just one way or the other. I show you everything. Oh, she's on the table. You might have saw the camera shake for a second. That's her. That's better. There's some kick up in the pan. There's some kick up in my face. That brown is just not dark enough. Let's put the lid color on, which was this first shimmer, the second shimmer that I tried. Oh, it's making it look much better. I need a darker brown though. That brown's not dark enough. looking at my Impulsive palette from that's Ruby. She's not happy until she can find something to play with, so she knocks something off my table. What it is, I don't know. But I'm going to go into this brown color in here and see if I can't get this melt palette. Oh, there we go. That's what we needed the whole time, was a nice deep brown. What's up, girl? You already knocked something off the table. I don't know what else you want. She's trying to get up in my lap. Oh, that looks so much better. Yay, melt! Fantastic. So now I'm going to blend this. Oh, that looks so much better. I can usually save a look, man. I usually can. I'm going to put a little gold in the center. It's a Tarte paint pot, something like that. And it's got a little bit of gold right here. So I'm just going to brighten that eye up a little. And that just makes a big difference. Oh yeah. So this palette in and of itself is pretty. It's just a combination I chose. The colors ended up so similar that was distracting. So now we're going to take the Star Gems Cosmetics Wisteria eyeliner. Because you guys know I love a black eyeliner. And this is super black and reasonably priced. Oh my Lord, this was so scary for a second. It was so scary. And I'm going to use the Go Big or Go Home from KVD mascara. I forgot to do my brows. This is a crazy ride of a video. I even got some copper eyeshadow in my hair. It's not the palette's fault, it's the operator's fault. It's a great palette. I just picked some colors that didn't want to play well. Because it is death pigmented. Alright, and let's get a nice lippy. Let's do Kokie Cosmetics in Sublime. That's pretty. This is a really soft formula. Add a little cleanup. There we go. So we've got a look. It took a minute, but we had a good time today with the Esmerelda II palette from Beauty Creations. I hope you have a great day or day of your choice. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you real soon.